Hi, to set SIM card PIN code on your OnePlus Nord 3, you need to open Settings first. Then scroll a bit to go in the Security and Privacy tab, and after that select More Security Settings. And now in the Security section we can see the SIM card lock. So as you can see, in my case it is currently disabled, so there is no need to enter PIN code, but it is not so secure because someone could steal my phone and just simply unlock the SIM card because there is no password at all. So let's lock it. For that I'm gonna tap on the switcher, and now we need to create the PIN code. For example, from 1 to 4. That is not so secure PIN code, but that will work as an example for you. And now we have our PIN code. So when we will take out the SIM card and then insert it back, we would need to enter its PIN code. Let's test it. I'm just gonna take my ejector, pull out the SIM tray, and now let's just insert it back in the phone. And as you can see, we just need to enter the PIN code to unlock the phone. So let's do it now. And yeah, now we can unlock it. Also, you can change its PIN code right in the same settings. So just enter the current PIN code and after that, enter the new PIN code. And that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.